Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. Ako nga pala si Sofia Bianca at sa vlog naman na ito, ipapakita ko sa inyo ang task 2. Kasama dito ang IQ test, personality test, pag-analyze at pag-validate ng results. Tara, simulan natin. My IQ test result showed that my score is within the range of 104 to 120. It may just be a number, but it's still nice to see where I stand. For me, intelligence isn't fixed, it grows when we keep challenging ourselves, learning new things, and staying curious. So, instead of just focusing on the score, I'll use this as a reminder that growth is a continuous journey. And speaking of growth, I also took a personality test that gave me a deeper look into how I deal with myself and the people around me. My openness to experience is quite low at 10, which means I tend to be more practical and prefer familiar things rather than constantly seeking something new. For consciousness, I scored 49, so sometimes I can be organized and focused, while other times I'm a bit more relaxed. My extraversion score is 26, showing that I feel more comfortable in quiet settings or smaller groups. Agreeableness is 17, which means I can be straightforward and direct, and I don't always go along with others just to please them. Lastly, my natural reactions are at 46, which is a balance between being stressed quickly and being able to handle pressure when needed. Overall, these results reflect not just numbers but how I continue to understand myself better every day. Thank you for watching, and I hope you got to know me a little better through these results.